Hi, this is Jennifer at Lainey's Furniture, and I am back with the Thorton sofa by Flexsteel. You may have seen my previous video where I mentioned how much I love the Thorton sofa, and that hasn't changed. I have one in my home now, and I probably love it even more than the last time I showed you guys. The Thorton sofa is very comfortable with the Flexsteel's luxury cushion in the seat and a nice fill back. It also has a seat depth that's really comfortable for a lot of different height and sizes of people, which makes it one of my favorite sofas. It also comes with the Flexsteel warranty with their solid wood frame and their patented seat support system, and it's a great warranty, great sofa. The reason I wanted to bring it to you today is I wanted to let you know that it's available in this beautiful blue and a very nice neutral taupe. The factory is producing these two colors and they have them ready to ship. So if you're looking for a sofa a little bit quicker, come on in, check out the sofa. We have both colors in stock to show you, and we would love to show you that down at Lainey's Furniture. Thank you.